Aeroline consists of three large organizations, ADS, Thales and Safran. Out of these three, at this moment we are not doing anything for Safran here, but we will be starting very soon. Out of ADS, there are two customers which we are working here. One is Airbus and another is Eurocopter. In Airbus again there are two parts. One is IT and another is engineering. In IT we have got CBO, ESB and FBI. In engineering it is STIE. Out of all this, CBO is led by Vishal and Lalit, and FBI is led by Murari, and Prasenjit leads STIE. Thales is led by Shubhra. Let's hear from these respective leaders about their own areas, about the achievements and performance.
Good evening, everyone.
Bonjour à tous. So Lalit, we have been working on Airbus CBO for last 6 years. This has been one of the best years. We are able to gain more customer confidence. We are able to renew our contract for next 3 more years. So now current contract is valid till 2015.
Yes, 2012 has been fantastic for Airbus CBO. We have delivered more than 21,000 days, which are approximately 25% more than what we did in 2011. The quality of delivery in projects has been excellent across all domains, and we have also been able to improve our delivery efficiency.
Yes, also on application services, we are able to surpass all the targets, keeping all the KPIs in line. It means our capability, our level of understanding on Airbus domain and the applications is increasing. Congratulations to the team for the achievement.
Yes, a big thank you to the team for all of your contributions to make 2012 such a strong year. Like 2012, this year Airbus priority would be aircraft program A350, and CBO deliverables would largely be focused around them. This year would bring us many new opportunities, and we have started to prepare for them. We have started a new project in MS Dynamics CRM with 12 team members, and some of the team members are in France initializing the project.
Yes, also we plan to start some new initiatives where we have more knowledge in back office, where we have sufficient expertise. So we will be directly working with Airbus, so we move up into the value chain. We are really encouraged about this initiative because this gives us opportunity to directly work with the customer and understand them more better.
Another new aspect for this year is introduction of agile processes in some projects. Airbus wish to provide a better visibility of our developments to business and manage the requirements better. So they have started to introduce agile processes in some projects. This would mean for us that we would need very strong people who are self-managed, motivated, and are able to deliver with very high quality.
So CBO, be prepared for all the opportunities coming up with these challenges.
Good luck to all of you for 2013.
Bon chance!
Good evening everybody. Year 2012 had been very challenging, satisfying and fulfilling for whole FBI bundle. We grew significantly in this year in terms of team size doubled, production capacity doubled, productivity of people improved significantly. We aligned our team structure and governance model as per the onshore. Our delivery quality improved significantly. We integrated the testing team into the development team. Sanofi is first life science project for us. We transitioned it very successfully. We are able to meet all the KPIs today and the project is very stable. A very big thanks to the team for involving in transition and stretching themselves to deliver this project very well. Year 2013 looks to be very promising. I personally feel that it is going to be for consolidation and optimization. The focus is going to be on global profitability, which means we need to do more offshore to be profitable. We have been doing the development work more, so we would be getting into the design phase. The focus is also going to be on the ownership of the global delivery. That means we will be part of the global delivery model. I would like to thank each one of the team member who made FBI bundle successful and look forward a continued support from all of you.
Hello everybody. If I speak about Thales, I can proudly say that we have had a very successful year of growth, both in terms of what we deliver to the customer and also in terms of number of people committed on the engagement. In 2012, we started with 35 people and we grew to 60, and you see, this was not a single project growth. We did more work, we delivered better, and we established new services. Our focus on building Oracle Apps functional services reaped fruits. Today we have got a stable and industrialized service on functional and non-regression testing operating out of SGI. This team is led by Sadia Ehsan. Thales has 4 streams: development, functional, AMS and R12. Now over to their owners for further updates.
OCM development program delivered 2 releases successfully during the year, and we also added 3 new strategic services for our customer: setup, release management and DBA services.
2012 was an year of transition and consolidation of services from AMS. We have transitioned new areas, we have transitioned BI, we have transitioned functional support, we have set up the project management office at offshore, and we are delivering back to the customers in 7 countries without any front office, and we remain green, so it's an achievement for us.
I can just say that 2012 has made 2013 even more exciting. Our approach on release 12 upgrade was accepted by Thales, and now we have kickstarted R12 project from SGI.
To sum it all, 2013 has opened a gamut of new exciting opportunities and created new objectives for us. Together, we need to achieve our milestones and create a formidable offering for Thales, an offering based on our techno-functional expertise as shown in R12 and cost optimization as delivered in AMS. Thank you very much and best of luck for 2013.
Good evening friends. I'm here to talk about the airline STIE activities in 2012 and in 2013. 2012 had been a very interesting year. In terms of growth, we grew by 15%. Performance-wise, we had been able to showcase our competency. We got renewal for EYDT bundle. In EVID, we grew the team from 6 to 12 today. In simulation, we had an interesting year. We started off a new project called Simulation Package. Similarly, in 2013, I think I see very good prospect in terms of growth. We are planned to grow by 20%. For Gucci, it's a retail project, e-commerce project that we are doing. We are also doing activities for Soitec. We started off some activities in Italy for Italian Touch. It's a testing activity that we started off, and I hope that we get more work from Italian Touch. We actually look forward to 2013 as we grow more activities in Bangalore. So let us look forward to 2013. Thank you.